friends, thanks for joining me. Today I have a swap and glue and some happy mail to share with you. So I'm going to do the swap and glue first, and then I'm going to show you the sweet happy mail that I received. Hello my friends, I have received a February swap and glue from my friend Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories. So let's see what we have here. I might use a part of this envelope too, we'll see. We have some red tissue paper. Tissue paper is always fun to work with. Ooh, some pretty green paper, okay. Oh, that's super pretty. This is an index card with, looks like paper napkin and some stamping on it. Love it. Ooh, that's pretty too, like watercolor on there. Oh, here's a note. Swap and glue February 2025. Hi Jovi, I had so much fun last month with your swap. Hope you have fun with what I am sending for February. Thanks for bringing this collab back, your friend Jennifer. Well, I'm so glad that you've been enjoying it, Jennifer. I appreciate that. All right, we have a coloring page. Oh, looks like we have a couple of them. Look at that. Okay, fun. Okay, I like that image. That's pretty cool. Hats. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, that's fun. Food. Food can be a lot of fun. Oh my gosh, look at these cats. They're so cute. Okay. Oh, we got some nice greenery and flowers. And a lady. Okay, very good. The face. That could be fun. All right. Ooh, look at her with the purple hair. I do love that. Oh man, so fun. Okay, that's super fun. And then this beautiful page with the feathers. This is just lovely, all of it. All right, let's be creative, my friends. I am going to use a piece of this cardstock, only because this is a color that I won't use a lot. So I'm using up my stash, so I might as well use this as my background. And I am feeling, let's see, what am I feeling? I'm feeling these feathers. I'm feeling this girl. I might be feeling these cats. I'm feeling this guy. And I'm feeling this. Okay? So what I'm going to need to do with this is grab some markers. And I'm going to put it in fast motion. But I want to go ahead and do some coloring. That's not something you guys see me do very often, is it? But let's go ahead. I'm going to gather some greens and some purples, a pink. What else do we need? What's in our girl has purple hair. Do I have another purple? Let me see. I usually have this one. And I have actually this and this. Okay, I like all of these. So like I said, I'm going to put it in fast motion, and we're going to get some of this colored, and then we'll use it in our collage. And before I put it in fast motion, I want to test this green because it's like a glitter pen, and I just wanted to see if it was any good. It's okay. So let me test this one. Yeah, that's probably a better shade. Now there's probably some bleed through. There is, so let me get these images out of the way. All right, now we will put this in fast motion for you while I get to work and see how much of this I feel like coloring in. Since I have this set to fast motion, I figured I'd do a little voiceover and give you a little bit of information about some stuff that's going on in March. But first, I wanted to explain Swap and Glue to you. So this is an open collaboration, and if you'd like to join, you can go over to my Facebook group, which is Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts, and I created an event, and you can sign up in the comment section of the event and you can say, hey, I would like a partner, and then you could read the comments, and if you see somebody else that would like a partner, you can say, hey, I would be happy to partner with you. That system has been working out really well. Now, sometimes you might have a friend that you already know, and that you just want to say, hey, friend, do you want to swap with me? And they'll maybe say yes. So you don't necessarily have to go to the Facebook group, but it's there for you to use as a tool if you need to. Also, I wanted to let you know that it would be awesome that you could share your swap and glue. If you're not a creator, the Facebook group is a great place to be able to do that. What I mean is not a creator, but like a social media creator is what I meant to say. Of course, you're a creator because you're doing art. So just to clarify that, if you don't do social media, then you can share it in the Facebook group if you'd like to, and that's always a lot of fun to see what you've made after you've swapped with somebody, and your partner always enjoys seeing what you made as well. Now, if you are a social media creator, then please feel free to share the collab on social media. Use the hashtag swapandglue and tag me, Creating with Jovi, as your host. And then, of course, whoever your swap partner was, be sure to tag them as well. Excuse the sirens going by. I have my windows and doors open because it's gorgeous out today. But at any rate, I am going to be hosting Masterboard Mayhem. And I would love for you to join in. If you have scraps and stash and odd items and you're not sure what to do with them, create masterboards with them. It's so much fun and it's so satisfying. So in each video that I'm going to do for Masterboard Mayhem, I'm going to share how I make the masterboard and cut the masterboard and then show you what I do with it. And some of them will be tags. Some will be journal toppers with a couple of coordinating tags. I will also be making some pockets and belly bands, as well as greeting cards. So I'm having a blast doing it, even though I haven't rolled out the videos yet. I'm just having so much fun pre-recording the videos, and I hope you'll join in. If you do, use the hashtag Masterboard Mayhem, and be sure to tag me, Creating with Jovi, as your host. But have fun with that, and that'll be a good time. Also wanted to just mention real quick, memberships are available to my channel with a bunch of fun perks. So if you'd like to get more involved in my channel, check that out. There's a button up at the, where is it? It's right near my channel name. And if you click on the button, it doesn't mean you're joining, but you can certainly see the perks by clicking the button. What else can I tell you? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, Swap and Glue, did I tell you that this is going on for the month of March? And if you want to swap with me, let me know in the comments or reach me over in my Facebook group. I want to mention one of the rules that we have for Swap and Glue, which is only use the images that your partner sends you. You can see I'm using some ink here, and that's fine. You can ink it up and do whatever, but just only use the images that your partner sends you, and I feel that that adds to the challenge and the fun of it. In just a second, I am going to give you a close-up of the finished collage, which I love, and then I'm going to share the happy mail that I got today. All right, my friends, here we go. I'm going to give you a close-up. I'm going to start over here with the window and the hats and this guy playing the guitar, and the cats are hanging out and they're listening to him. And we come over here. We see this girl with her fantastic purple hair and the coloring page that I did behind her. So I love how this turned out. You saw I added some ink to it just to sort of pull everything together, but even over here his outfit has a lot of purple in it anyway, so those ended up working really nicely together. And then like spaces like this and this that were white from tearing the paper, I added some extra ink there just to give them a little bit more of a purple hue. So I'm so happy with how this turned out. Thank you, Jennifer, so much for sending me some images for February. If anybody would like to swap with me, put it in the comments below, or reach out to me on my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts, and I'll be happy to send you an envelope. All right, my friends, let's have a look and see what we got. This envelope comes from my friend Crystal from Paper Craft Crystal. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love the way it opens like doors. Ah, just a note to say, I hope you have a wonderful day. Sending you crafty hugs. Stay awesome, my friend. This is beautiful, Crystal. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That was so thoughtful. And she put this in here with washi tape so I can use this if I would like to send out to someone. That was so sweet, Crystal. Thank you for thinking of me. Friends, this envelope comes from my friend Bibi of Bibi's Closet Creations. And let's just have a quick look at this gorgeous envelope. I mean to tell you, that is a thing of beauty right there. She sent me a note. Let me have a look at it. Aww. Pretty little flower sticker. That's so cute. Aw, you are beautiful. My sweet, beautiful friend Jovi, truly from the bottom of my heart, I'm so very blessed to have you in my life. Thank you for always being there for me and always being so very supportive, Bibi. Aw, Bibi. Well, I'm glad that I can be there for you, and I appreciate our friendship as much as you do. So thank you for that sweet note. I do appreciate that. And then, my friends, let's get back to this. It's so pretty. She's such a beautiful creator. I love her work. Truly, truly do. Oh my gosh, what do we have in here? I just can't even get out of this envelope. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, we have, a Yahtzee scorecard. That's cute. That'll be good in a journal. Beauty is often hidden, sometimes overcome, seldom extinguished. Oh, that's lovely. And it's just a beautiful little note card. Oh, I love that. And this looks like a pretty piece of stationery. Oh, here we go. Look at that. How pretty is that? I love this little piece of calendar. Oh, fantastic. How cute. When I count my blessings, I always think of you. And look how pretty that is. What a lovely piece of stationery. And friends, the creme de la creme here. Bibi made handmade paper, and it is stunning. I don't know if this video and lighting is going to do it justice. And pardon the glue all over my hands. It's from the swap and glue, and I see my fingers are filthy. Well, let's get back to focusing on this beautiful paper. Check it out. How much do you love it? Isn't that gorgeous? It's embossed. Oh my gosh, I'm so intrigued and I'm so inspired by this. Look at this. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Bibi, you did such a gorgeous job on these. Check this out, you guys. Hopefully, I'm going to hold this so that hopefully the light will pick it up a certain way and you can see there's flowers in it. I don't know if it's easier on this side or not, but absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, my friend. Your work is always stunning, and I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And you, my friends, I appreciate you being here. So thanks for watching. See you soon.